200 South Michigan.
3 more?
Check it out.
2 more?
The service elevator, cool.
Yes, it's padded.
Oh, nice.
I'm not saying anything.
I can
but
slide myself into the wall, it'll be all right.
22.
Is that really original?
It is now.
It's a beautiful thing.
Pretty cool. Send me that.
All the way up.
Traction. No. It'd be a really big high, really tall hydrant.
Yeah, shakes back and forth when going up.
What's so funny?
Oh, just the sound from Drake. Yep, it's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Those are just top of my phone.
I just want to.
Here, paper, plastics.
Oh, I know what's going on right there.
Very efficient
This way, please.
reservation.
Oh, sure. To your left. Yeah, I don't.
These elevators are here, and that must be a service.
Westinghouse, probably.
We change the exhibits about every 2 months. We're paintings and sculptures.
Sandler Westies. I'll wait till we get back down.
Wow, what is?
Yeah. Look at this view.
There's Blue Cross Blue Shield.
Yeah. I'm surprised that the 201 and the modulator 312 are really close to proximity.
There's another one way down over there too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow, it's like 3D printed.
Hey, you guys want to go outside?
Sure, yeah.
All right, let's check it out.
There's one way down over there.
Sorry.
I think it's my
Excuse me.
That's okay.
So you let the people buy, and as soon as that's filled, you can fill this one. Now you need a whole name.
Other than that, I just like to enjoy the moment.
Okay, I'm getting this one. You take that, thank you.
Yeah, I'm holding the door.
No, you're pressing the alarm button.
Oh, really? She told me.
Oh, the alarm button. This one.
No, the doors have been held open too long. That's why
I think she actually accidentally pressed the alarm.
Yeah,
There's
that's.
no alarm.
Oh yeah. and also, look at that painting. Look at that like cab.
I don't think it's a painting. It's not.
Look at that wall design back there. I like it.
Very realistic.
It's very realistic.
Yeah, it looks like trees like runner.
She.
Yeah,
Right.
no, right. It's just like they don't know how these work.
Are we?
Going down. Yeah.
We're going down.
Oh, it looks like it's crowded right now.
Yeah. It just. But yeah.
So this is how sardines feel.
This is like roomy compared to the morning elk meal. Like sitting on someone's head.
We're an express
Blue
zone.
line at Monday morning at 7
Oh, yeah.
a.m.
The red line,
Gilliman
yeah.
Road.
Oh my god, my
I think the other road was a service that serves all
Less
floors.
pee-pee smell.
That looks like.
Right.
It's kind of like
Yeah.
you feeling in the airplane. It's kind of like you feeling in the airplane, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that indicator in the head.
Anyways.
Or a lantern or whatever.
There's an elevator here. Hold on.
Yep. R2W.
Thank you so much.
We're going to watch this close up.
I made it.